Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Nay, and I got your tea for the streets. So, Miss Chrisean has opened up her home and allowed us to take a peek at her health journey following her fight. Let's take a peek.
Milk. I drink a lot of water, so I'm gonna restock the water right here. My vitamin water, and this is like my fruit mix for my smoothies. My eggs, turkey, sausage, and bacon. Grapes, watermelon. Can't wait to crack that open next week. So next week when I work out, this is the things I'll be cooking. I'll be cooking shrimp, salmon, tilapia, ground turkey, string beans, and broccoli. Right now, I'm eating light right now and clean so my body can just heal and I don't gain too much weight, pretty much. I'm watching my weight still. And then, so yeah, cut out all the sugars, period, for the most part. Okay, here go my cabinet. My cabinet, okay. Oatmeal, chicken noodle soup when I get sick, if I get sick or cold. Tuna, chia seeds, granola for energy. Pistachios. These are my little snacks. They're only 90 calories per serving, so low calorie. But yeah, whatever. So this is what we're gonna get into, the smoothie. So this is my smoothie. So yeah, what I learned is this go a long way. When I made my first smoothie, I felt like I poured a little bit too much because you don't need that much. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna blend this up. I have a Ninja. I ain't gonna hold you. Every time I watch those commercials, I always wanted a Ninja. This will be my first time like doing stuff like this. I'm happy I get to cook and be there for my son, for myself, and like get into my healthy journey. So we got dates. Should I put more? I put a little bit. I don't want to taste dates in my thing like that. We put enough in there to get the benefits. We put 3. I would put ice in it, but I like the consistency of frozen fruit mixed with this. And then like say if you don't finish it off, you can just put it in the freezer. So it comes with its own like little container mixed with the blender part. So this, you screw this on. Oh, y'all know how this works. So basically, I'm gonna just squish this down for real because I think it sounds sweet. That's how. Then pour a little. I tried the other one yesterday, the mango. Like I tried this yesterday, but I gotta go buy some that's like greens. Cause I got one in there that's green, like from broccoli and celery and stuff. I'm just trying stuff. All right, so boom, that's it. Maybe a little bit more. That's it. Okay, cool. I think this should be good. This should be good. Because whatever this is made so perfect, a little bit go a long way, okay? So, we're about to blend, 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 blend. Right, so I put some more of that stuff in there because if it's not a good consistency, so you see all that black stuff, that's the dates. I need that. I just grind it up right. think we should be done. I don't want it to. Yeah, it's too like. I don't want to like a smoothie. I like the ice cream consistency. Okay. Okay. There you go. The ninja did us good. So what I'm gonna do is it's like a sherbet with no ice. Like yeah. It's good. I think could you please put a blessing on the fire paper? Receive a Thanksgiving blessing for the wife. Make some for baby Jesus. You want to try it, Chrisean? Good. All right, y'all. So mix with dates. I put dates in here. You don't taste it. I mean, I know y'all probably make way more. Should I put it in a cup? So I'm gonna put it in the freezer a little bit. I like mine like kind of like ice cream. It's giving that, but it's a little too blended. Put it in the freezer for like 20 minutes. And dry it. So I don't want it to be frozen shut. But yeah, this gonna be dope. It's gonna taste real good. Yeah, I want ice cream consistency. This is gonna be my little snack later on.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.